be times when you want to manually set the time on your processor, like when you want to test some control logic you've programmed that's based on a specific time. There are a couple of things to remember before you do this. Anyone who's logged in, except for you, will be logged out. So you may want to do this when no one else is logged in. To change the time, first make sure you're logged into Groov Epic as an administrator. From the Groov Manage Home screen, select System, then Time. Let's disable the time server that's currently synchronizing the time. And by default, this is the way time is set. Move the Enable NTP slider over to the left and click on Set NTP. Once that's done, you can go up into the time area and set the time and date. Looks like my date is correct, but not my time. It's actually 3:35 in the afternoon. So let me change that here based on the 24-hour clock. So I'll enter 15 for 3 o'clock. Looks like everything else is okay. And then I'll click on Set Time. Once that's done, the time is set. And one final point, the time won't be updated automatically for daylight savings time.